So here's how to track accounts receivable in QuickBooks Online. First of all, open your browser and search for QuickBooks. Then, click on the first link on the results. After that, you need to log in to your account or buy a subscription on QuickBooks. So once you're in the dashboard, what you need to do is go over to the left panel and click on this option that says Transactions. So once you're in the Transactions section, go over to Chart of Accounts. So if you look right here, we have the option that says Accounts Receivable. Here, you can get to see all the information about your accounts receivable. Now, go over to Sales from the left panel. Then if you go over to Customers, you will be able to track who owes you money. Here, you have the option to import customers, or you can also add customers manually. So that is exactly how to track accounts receivable on QuickBooks Online.